Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we learning about solving equation by using the difference of the square, factorization. I want to give you the first example today is you will got the equation like this. You got x squared minus 100 equal to 0. How can you solve this one using the difference of the square? Okay, in this series, you learning about solving equation by factorization. So for first step of this equation, I want you to help me factorizing the left hand side. So you can see here, you got the expression x squared minus 100. So I change from 100 become to 10 square. So will be the difference of the square. So you know about the formula of difference of square factorization like this. A squared minus b squared, and you will got a minus b multiplied with a plus b. Something like this. And you will using this one for factorizing this. A squared minus 10 squared, so you will have two brackets. First bracket you got x plus 10, and the second bracket x minus 10 equal to 0. So after this one, you have the equation with factorizing form. So I want to solve this equation. I will put h brackets equal to 0. So the first one, x plus 10 equal to 0, and the second bracket, x minus 10 equal to 0. And of course, I will using square bracket in this position. So for the single bracket, you will solve the equation very easy. X plus 10 equal to 0, so x equal to negative 10. Or another solution is x equal to 10, something like this. Okay, so this is the first equation, first example. I want to give you the second example. For here, you will have 225 minus 4m squared equal to 0. So how can you solve this one? I've been using factorizing by the difference of the square. 25, very easy for figure out. You can write down here is 5 square minus, how about 4 and m square? You will have 4 is 2 square and m is m square unchanging. And I want you to combine 2 square and m square here become to only 1 square form. So 2m, I put it inside the bracket, and you will have the square outside. So after this, you have the difference of the square form, 5 square minus 2m square. And I want to factorizing here very easy. The first bracket, 5 minus 2m, and second bracket, 5 plus 2m equal to 0. So this equation become to factorizing form, and I will put h bracket equal to 0. The first bracket like this equal to 0, and the second bracket you got this one equal to 0. And using the square bracket in this position, 5m. Okay, so what is m in here? 5 over 2. So how about the next one? M equal to negative 5 divided by 2. That's all. So after this one, you got two solutions for this equation. Yeah. This is two examples for you, and we will work together exercise. The first one, you got m squared minus 5 squared, so very easy for you right now. Okay, I will change from m squared minus 5 squared equal to 0. So using the difference of the square form, you will got the two brackets, first one and the second one like this. And after this, you will got the square bracket, 5 minus m minus 5 and m plus 5. For the h single bracket, you will got m equal to 5 and m equal to negative 5. This square bracket is mean or. So m equal to 5 or m equal to negative 5. How about the question 2? So, okay, 64 minus h squared. H squared minus h squared equal to 0. So h minus h first bracket multiply h plus h second bracket. H minus h equal to 0. Square bracket h plus h equal to 0. Solving single equation, you got x equal to s, and here x equal to negative s. Yeah, very easy, right? And question 3, okay, 10 squared minus y squared equal to 0. 10 minus y, 10 plus y equal to 0. So 10 minus y equal to 0, and 10 plus y equal to 0. Y equal to 10 and y equal to negative 10. Very easy, right? 81. Okay, you can change form 81 become to the square, 9 square. N square equal to 0. 9 minus n multiply 9 plus n. Factorizing successful. So 9 minus n equal to 0, and the next one 9 plus n equal to 0. So n equal to 9 here, and n equal to negative 9. Yeah, that's all. Very easy, right? The next question, you got 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, this is a little bit harder. So I will change form one by one step. The first step, you got 9 square. So here you can change become to 2 square multiply 8 square. But for this form, you cannot using the difference of the square. You need to change form one more time. 9 square, 2x inside the bracket, and the outside you got square. So after this one, you got x minus 2x and 9 minus 2x, and 9 plus 2x equal to 0. So factorizing, you got the factorizing form. And for this, you will got 9 minus 2x equal to 0, or 9 plus 2x equal to 0. So first one, x equal to 9 over 2, and the second one, you got negative 9 over 2. Okay, we done. Question 5. Question 6, how about that? 25y squared minus 16. Yeah, you can change here 5y inside the bracket, and outside you got square, and 16 you got 4 square. So factorizing, you got 5y minus 4 and 5y plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, and 5y negative 4 square bracket 5y plus 4, and solving h1, y equal to 4 divided by 5 first, and the second negative 4 divided by 5. Yeah, we done. Question 7, here is 7 square, here is 3m inside the bracket and square outside. 7 negative 3m and 7 plus 3m equal to 0. One by one, first bracket square and second bracket. For this one, you got m equal to 7 over 3. For the next one, m equal to negative 7 divided by 3. Yeah, we done. Question 8, 6 square, of course, 4x inside bracket square. Yep, 6 negative 4x first bracket, 6 plus 4x second bracket equal to 0. First bracket equal to 0, and second bracket equal to 0. And then you got square bracket in this position. For this, you got 6 divided by 4, and for here, negative 6 divided by 4. Of course, you can simplify this fraction. 6 divided by 4 is mean 3 over 2, and this one negative 3 over 2. Yeah, we're done for this question. And we have the last two questions, 9 and 10. So how can you solve it? How can you solve this? Question here, you got 5a and square outside minus 4 square equal to 0. And 5a minus 4 first. Secondly, 5a plus 4 equal to 0. And 5a negative 4 equal to 0. 5a plus 4 equal to 0. For this one, you got a equal to 4 divided by 5. For this one, a equal to negative 4 divided by 5. Yeah, of course. 49x squared minus 100. Yeah, 7x squared, of course. 10, not 17. 10 squared minus 10 squared equal to 0. The first, the second, and of course they are equal to 0. 7x negative 10 equal to 0. 7x plus 10 equal to 0. For this question, for this single bracket, you got 10 over 7. And the next one, you got x equal to negative 10 over 7. Okay, we're done for this question, and I hope it's not too difficult for you. Maybe you can apply the difference of square for factorizing, but in this video I want to apply the difference of square for solving equation. And don't forget to finish the test I will send you later. Thank you so much and see you in next video.